Oh man, it is time to get the top off of this car at last. Or again, man, I love getting this out. Don't do it enough, but you want an update on the car? Nothing's changed at all because we barely drive it, but we did order the exhaust for it, so freaking jacked for that. So stay tuned because this thing's about to sound like it's supposed to. And what's for dinner tonight, you may ask? Oh yeah, the Pizza Hut. There ain't no pizza like the Hut. It's healthy, I swear.
Y'all, hey, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so we are about to embark on doing a few last minute things before the Miami trip. So I'm gonna get in the car here and I'm going to get my nails done. I have one that's about to fall off, so we're gonna get something really bright this time. I'm not gonna do the same color. Stay tuned for the nails, and then, you know, I just got a ton of Amazon boxes because I'm extra, so I'll show you all what I got. And yeah, let's get ready for this trip. I'm nervy.
Packing here.
I am so extra. I literally just filmed a story about this because I'm so extra. I have all of his like gummy vitamins, what time to take it. I even stuck a sticky note in there in case my mom can't read that.
Jeez.
I have all of these.
Overachieving.
These are all just in cases, and I wrote on each individual bag like the dosage and what you would use it just in case for.
Wow. So we can't mess it up is what you're saying.
If you do, you're in trouble.
Okay, we won't mess it up. We'll take good care of them. Don't you worry about a thing. You just go and have fun. We'll take care of everything back home here and keep everything up to date.
Mama's, drop me comments of reassurance, please.
Yes, we'll reassure that she's in good hands here.
He is in good hands.
You're in good hands. Daddy can fend for himself. We gotta take care of you, so we'll do just that. Well, we'll see where the video leads us. You trust me to make any videos while you're gone?
Ladies, if he makes any videos for the channel, they're probably not going to be hair and makeup related, and if they are,
they'll be good.
They're going to be.
Don't unsubscribe just because I make something too.
If there's a filler video, just know I'm coming back. He's not taking over.
Coming back with a vengeance. Well, you guys heard her. I have the right to make a video, and I don't know what the heck I'm gonna do. But here I am. I'm already working on it. You can see how excited she is that I'm making this video. First of all, what do we got here? Business cards. I told you, you guys were super stoked on those. So I put the link in the last video, so make sure you guys get those ordered if you want them. But other than that, it looks like we're super stoked on this new CC cream. Nice little purple color there. What else do we got? You know these things are out, so you know they're getting used. Terracotta blush powder. Yep, need it, need it. This little applicator deal. What else is here? Little pencil, little pencil. That's nice. Makeup brushes, one of the hottest items we got. And eyelashes. Those brows are lashes. I think they're lashes. Yeah, lashes, that's what they are. The Wispies from Ardell, gotta have them. Look at these, what are these little scissors here? Head candy water bottle, of course. I gotta fill this up for her all the time. Glasses, she puts these glasses on all the time. Absolutely love them. They kind of remind me of the Flintstones, but God, she pulls them off. Babe, I apologize if I'm giving away secrets I'm not supposed to. I hope I'm not in trouble. Anyways, let's keep going, let's keep going. This curler deal here from Head Candy, absolutely beautiful. This straightener with a little timer deal. Boy, that's top line. That Head Candy stuff is nice, guys. Little clock to tell you the time. All these different sprays. I just want to show you a quick little behind the scenes. I got plenty of other stuff I can be doing, but anyways, you guys got the insider scoop. I'm out. How is it I always hit the gosh darn trains? What is going on? Look at that train. Look at this roof off though. This thing is freaking sweet. We just need the exhaust now, gosh darn it. But look at that train. Zoom, zoom, zoomy, zoom, zoom, train, train. Guys, this just in. She said just got done with dinner on the yacht. I'm getting so much content. Can you believe it, guys? I'm telling you, I know you got to listen to boring old me for now, but great stuff is on the way. It's super exciting. Please stay tuned. It's going to be awesome. Guys, just so you actually get something of value from me here today, these coffee cups are brand new. These are absolutely awesome. Look at how cool these things are. We got these actually from a family member. My uncle actually is making these handmade. Super, super cool. These are the prototypes he sent us. So thank you, Uncle Clay. These things are absolutely so crazy, but he is trying to sell these. These are prototypes for now. Tori's the coffee drinker, so she'll have to tell you more about it, but she said they're kind of heavy, but the quality is just absolutely unreal. It's so unbelievable how cool these things are. So check these things out. I'll put the website on here too if you guys want to go take a look, but how neat is this? Super authentic and just tons of detail and texture and super cool colors. But I'll put the website on if you guys do want to check them out if you guys are coffee drinkers. But yeah, absolutely cool. Thanks again. And now that we got that wrapped up, let's get one more sneak peek, little update from Tori. If you guys don't follow her on the gram already, make sure you do. But I'm going to click her story button here and give you guys a quick little sneak peek at what's coming here.
What's up, y'all? Happy Sunday. I've lost track of the days now. We out here again. Hi. We're all enjoying the sun, okay? But you guys, I did do the unboxing on the beach. Like I said, only half my products are here, but it's fine. I did my unboxing on the beach, okay? Hope you're all having a beautiful day. Last day in Miami. We're trying to enjoy it, okay?
What do you see by that tree? Yeeves. I bet when you're older, this tree's gonna be yay big. We'll have to come back and check it out, huh? Hey, tell mommy we love you.
Yeah, you too.
Can't wait to see you. Okay, guys, we're gonna have to wrap this thing up, but we will catch you guys soon. Thanks so much for being here. Subscribe, tell them to subscribe, and we will see you guys soon. Goodbye.